which is the very good. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of the basic questions about this hotel.
Category 5.
Let's talk about amenities of this hotel. So you can see on the screen this breakfast facility and air check. Location of the hotel is 6 love to enjoy the surroundings.
Categories of rooms are available online. You can book them online and enjoy your stay. Offers are available online for this hotel along with various plans and payment policies. You can use of the link provided in the description. For booking or more details, below the link in the description. If you are facing any kind of problem, contact us by the link.
If you have already checked out from this hotel, please share your experience in the comment box.